The paint function, you just would go down to your search. And I'm going to wait for it to pop up. There we go. I type in the word paint. Just like that. Find it. There it is. And we're just waiting on it. Looks like there's a 3D one now too, which is kind of cool. Didn't have that when I was in school. We're just waiting for it to pop up. It is a Screencast-O-Matic homepage. So I don't know why it's taking so long. It's taking a really long time to load. Not sure why. You'll find with tech is though, kind of being patient. It's what you gotta do. And see this paint that just popped up. So if you wanted to, here, I'm gonna move it down so you guys can see it. You could pick any of these, right? And you could use it to teach whatever concept you would want to. So if you wanted to type, something, there you go. So if you want to work on letters, you could do that, right? Hey, everyone, type A. Here's A. Now you write an A. Yay! Or maybe you pull out a pencil. You're like, okay, make an A. You go up and down and then across, or whatever you're teaching. You could also, there's other things you can do here if you were working on shapes. This is a star. A star has how many sides? And then you grab, sorry, I'm trying to grab it. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's not it. Well, there we go. We just focused. Sorry. I'm trying to make it so that I can point again. Nope. Okay. That's one of the ways, though, that I've learned a lot of the tools that I know about is playing around, if you do something and, you have to get it done, you're going to feel stressed and you're not going to get it done as efficiently or the best you can. And so, like with Screencast-O-Matic, I've practiced this a few times, just so that I'm able to show you efficiently. Right now, though, I haven't opened Paint forever and ever, so that's why, it's just not as efficient as it probably could be. I still don't know why it's not letting me point. But yeah, so just another resource for you.